What's up, traders? It's Mark here at Dino Trading, and hoo-wee! What a nice start to the week. Happy Monday to all you guys, and actually happy start to your trading month as well, right? Folks, we've been coming off a vicious sell-off, all markets. Let's get right into it, and I'm going to show you today how these charts nailed just a beautiful rally in the market with only 1 hour left. Okay, let's get right into it, folks. What you're seeing on the screen right now is a chart of the S&P 500. This is the global benchmark. I know a lot of you guys out there love trading the S&P, but don't worry, for all you NASDAQ lovers out there, and I count myself as one of them, I got a chart of the NASDAQ queued up here for you, and if we have enough time in this video, I'm going to show you how our volume proprietary color band nailed a 900 tick or pip move on the NAS. All right, but let's start with the S&P, folks. You know, this is the global benchmark. If you trade FOREX, your symbol is SPX 500. If you trade futures, your symbol is ES. And of course, all you stock and options traders, your symbol is SPY, what they call the SPY. Now, what you're seeing overlaid on top of the chart, on top of this price action chart of the S&P, is our proprietary volume-based profile indicator. Okay, what this thing does is it helps identify the trend direction. You've heard me say this a million times at this point. There is nothing more important than identifying the trend, or the prevailing trend at least, before you decide to dip your toes into the market. All right, now I'm going to try to walk you through both a textbook beautiful short setup on the S&P as well as a long setup on the S&P. All right, let's start with the short. Okay, I want you guys to stare at this chart right now and look. I've been doing hundreds of videos on retracement patterns, and I've been really trying to teach you guys how to identify these retracement patterns. Do me a favor, stare at this chart right now, and you tell me if you can spot a retracement pattern to the short side. Go ahead. I'll give you a couple of seconds. Okay. Hope you guys were able to manage that. I hope your eyes kind of gravitated towards this exact moment in time in the market. Let me go ahead and zoom in here for you guys. All right. So remember, you've heard me say this a million times. I'd be shocked if you found this concept to be new or revolutionary or something that I've never talked about before, right? Why do I love retracement patterns so much? Well, this is why. Okay? I love when the market comes back to us. Okay? A retracement strategy, folks, is really a simple two-step process. Number one, you got to be able to identify the direction. Okay, so you see this color change here as the vol color band changes from green to red, right? That happens right there. And if you were an aggressive trader or an aggressive person, this might be an okay area to enter a potential short trade, right? But I classify myself as pretty conservative with my own technical analysis. And I have found time and time again that retracement patterns suit my style. Okay, so back to that two-step process, right? Step number one, wait for the direction. Great, we got the direction. We're looking for shorts now. Step number two, wait for that retracement. What qualifies as a retracement? Well, I need to see the market come up. Come up, 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 up. Yes, even though I'm looking for a short trade, I want to see the market rally a little bit, and I want to see one of these. Kablam, kablam. A red reversal bar that closes above the color band. You understand what I'm saying? And so when this happens, for me, the condition is true. I want to then, let me get this out of the way here, I want to then think about going short on the open of the next bar, and yup, you guessed it, I want to place my stop 1 or 2 ticks or pips, if you follow along in FOREX, above that trigger bar's high. Are you with me, ladies and gentlemen? Okay. And that was it, as you can quite clearly see, that was it for almost 300 ticks. And you know what else is funny? Before I take a look at the longs for you guys, you know what else is funny? Look at that right there. Another retracement setup. Look at that one right there. Another retracement setup. Folks, This is happening on a daily basis. The volatility right now that's in the market is so conducive to a trend trading style or a trend trading method. You follow? Anyway, let's take a look at the longs. All right, you guys can see here, there's a crystal clear change in the color band. It turns from red into green at this exact moment in time. Now, after this moment in time where the color band changes, I want you guys to stare at this chart again. Tell me if you spot a retracement. Okay? So isn't that interesting? We get one beautiful retracement right over there. Okay? And the reason I'm giggling is because, again, folks, I cannot believe how these charts look like today. I feel sorry for anyone that's been still sitting on the sidelines or using your candlestick garbage, your candlestick indicators, your Bollinger Bands, all that nonsense. Folks, this is simply green and red volume footprints. That's all it is. You understand? So let me get this out of the way here. When this retracement bar prints, I now want to think about going long on the open of the next bar, and yup, you guessed it, I want to place my stop 1 or 2 ticks underneath that trigger bar. In fact, I'll go ahead and flatline this so you guys can see where the stop would go. And that was it for another 400 ticks or pips if you follow along in Forex, for a grand total of around 1,000 ticks and pips, ladies and gentlemen. And same thing on the NAS, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, folks, you tell me, right? I know at this point you got to be able to spot that retracement bar right over here, right? Put a couple of arrows on it. Clean, obvious, and most important, this indicator is not open to subjectivity. It's objective. It gives you the truth on which way the market is trending, and it gives you really nice pattern recognition signals, in this case the retracement, to look for very good trading setups. And when I say very good trading setups, what I mean by that is low risk, high reward. Now remember, folks, just because I consider this to be a low risk setup doesn't mean that it's no risk. You have to be prepared to get stopped out if the market comes back and hits your stop. That's life, right? Any good trader will tell you that. But at the end of the day, folks, what I think I've been able to come up with here is a very mechanical, rule-based, emotionless strategy. That's what this is, okay? And if today is how we started the first day of the month, then boy, are we in for a real treat in the market this month. For all you guys that had the vol today, I know you absolutely killed it. For everybody else who's sitting on the sidelines, I don't know what you're waiting for. It's time to get off the sidelines and get involved. And let's see what incredible, amazing opportunities the market has in store for us this month. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.